Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you a useful new features in Google Chrome that lets you sign PDF files directly in your browser. No need to download the PDF, print it, sign it by hand and scan it back again. You can now add your signature right inside Chrome in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your PDF file in Google Chrome. Right click on your PDF and open with Google Chrome. Once the PDF opens, click the draw button in the toolbar. Now select the pen tool and choose the style and color you prefer for your signature. Now simply draw your signature directly on the PDF where needed. If the signature line is too small, use the zoom option to enlarge the PDF. This makes it much easier to create a neat and accurate signature. Once you are happy with your signature, click download in the toolbar and select with your changes. That's it. You can now sign PDF document directly in Google Chrome without downloading extra software or printing any document. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.